Welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to use Voice Aloud Reader to read to you aloud web pages and news articles from different news apps. I'm recording this on a PC, so you see this mouse cursor, and whenever I'm simulating a screen touch you will see this red star instead. So let's begin, and I will start by opening a web browser and the sample web page in it, which I want to listen instead of reading to it. To start that Voice Aloud Reader reading this page, I need to press Menu button on my phone, press More, and choose Share Page item. Then I choose Add Voice Aloud Reader icon, and it loads a page and starts reading as well.
Kappa Kappa Psi is a coeducational fraternity for college and university band members.
As you can see, I can open and hide extended control panel with other controls like rate and pitch, volume, and more settings. I have also a help button which you can click anytime to read some more help. If not needed, you can hide it. You can move the page around and double tap it to start reading from this place, for example.
In the news, in Formula One, Sebastian Vettel wins the Drivers' Championship.
That's it for web pages. Let's try to listen now to an article from BBC News apps. Open an article. In this app we need to click anywhere on the text and then this share button. And choose again Voice Aloud Reader. Wait until it loads.
France to back Palestinian bid for UN status. November 27th, 2012, last updated at 17:27.
Let me show you briefly what else you can do in this app. You can go by sentence forward and backward, and this works also from Bluetooth or wired headset buttons. You can start from the highlighted sentence.
France has confirmed it intends to vote for Palestinian non-member status.
And if you stop and exit to do something else, and later want to come back and listen to the rest of the article, just tap Add Voice Aloud Reader icon again, and it opens from the place where we just stopped. Remember, France has confirmed.
France has confirmed it intends to vote for Palestinian non-member.
And that's it for BBC News app. In NPR News app, usually you can listen to radio transmissions recorded on the internet, but some articles don't have audio yet. So you can still use Add Voice Aloud Reader to listen to them. Note that they have share button right at the very top. Just tap it, tap Add Voice Aloud Reader, and again after a brief loading, and this loading is much faster on a real device than on this emulator.
Grover Norquist, pink unicorns aren't real and GOP won't break tax pledge.
So it's really simple. Add Voice Aloud Reader by default recognizes the language of the page that you want to read automatically. Let's open, for example, Onet News, which is news from Poland. Open a sample article. And if you want to listen to this article, you click this share button at the top right, and you choose, in this case, send by email item. Again, you have a choice of email or Voice Aloud reader. We click this one to listen. And we need to load a process a page, which is again much faster in a real device.
Wiadomości. Wiadomości świat 44 minuty temu padł. Łukaszenka. Jestem ostatnim jedynym
As you can see, it automatically recognized Polish language and is reading in Polish. Here is one more news app that I like. It's Flipboard. You can flip it like this. And let's choose some article to read in it. Google, technology, what do we like? Let's read about Google. So I have an article about Google integrating something with Gmail, and it has this share button right on top. I click it. I need to share to other apps. Click Add Voice.
Mail, need Google Drive, and behold 10 GB file transfers.
As you can see, using Add Voice Aloud Reader is really simple. I hope you'll find it useful. Thank you, bye.